first aircraft हजुरको?
Cessna 150, yeah.
Cessna 150.
Yeah.
And then second aircraft?
Cessna 152. Third, Cessna 170.
Which country?
In the United States of
US,
America,
man.
USA, man.
And त्यसपछि?
My second home.
And
I
त्यसपछि?
love that place. Thank you, America, for making me what I am today, no? Pegasus Aeronautical Center. That's where I studied.
Which state?
Yeah, Texas, Fort Worth. Oh, that's
Hey,
170.
Fort Worth, man.
Fort Worth.
Hey, what?
Yeah.
That's where you got trained.
Yeah.
No, I like some of Fort Worth.
Early 40s. Early 80s.
80s. 40s, होइन?
40s,
80s मा होइन? यो हजुरको first jazz.
Oh, that is 170. That's my third aircraft.
Cessna 150 गरेर त?
150.
Cessna 150. होइन? That's your first jazz, होइन? Do it in real time, X. Do it in real time, okay? So that we can see it too, no?
Cessna 150. That's a training aircraft.
One of the easiest and one of the hardest aircrafts to fly?
It is one of the...
Easiest ki hardest?
No, I wouldn't say easy. It's definitely very tricky. But very fun. अब अहिले मलाई उडा भने उडाउन सक्छु तर ल्यान्ड गर्ने बेलामा म उठेको हुन्छ so low के because I'm used to such a huge aircraft. It'll take time for me to go and fly that again. It'll take the orientation factor is very big.
So muscle memory that's hard.
Muscle memory that's hard. I can do it. Why not? I can do it.
So 80s ma हैन अनि त्यसपछि गयो जहाज?
Then from there Mooney. There's another Mooney.
Mooney भने के हो?
Mooney is another single engine that a higher power range को त्यो हो है.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a Mooney. See?
That's a single engine.
Single engine. Then I did Cessna 300, I think. That's a multi-engine.
तपाईले हाम्रो क्लिप एकदमै एन्जॉय गर्नुभयो होला अब पुरै भिडियो हेर्नको लागि चाहिँ युट्युबमा सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला व्यास मिडिया नेटवर्क